Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this blue cut crease. So I'm going to start off by priming my lids with this matte paint pot, and I'm just going to put it all over my lid. Then I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, using the first color Canvas as my base, using JH30 from the Morphe X Jaclyn Heel brushes. So taking that same brush, I'm going to go in with this color Playground, and I'm just going to put it in my crease and a little bit above my crease. Going in with my JH33 in the color Cola, I'm just going to place this color in my crease. I'm just grabbing the JH30 again to just blend the blues in together so there won't be no harsh lines. Then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape color medium with a flat round brush to cut my crease. And guys, make sure you guys take your time when you're doing this. Mine's is kind of sped up right now. Now I'm going to take the color Hello and then take my JH41 and then pat this onto my eyelid. And make sure before you put the eyeshadow on the concealer, just make sure that it's tacky and it's not like super wet, because it'll make the eyeshadow look really crazy. I have come to learn that. Now I'm going to take JH43 to kind of get that outer edge of the cut crease. After that, I'm going to take JH40 into Cola and put on my outer crease. Then I'm going to take Playground and put on the right side of Cola. And then after that, I'm going to take Spooky, which is a black, on the left side to darken up that outer crease. Now I'm going to take the ColourPop Ladybird Super Shock Shadow using my JH42 to put in my inner corner to brighten it up a bit. Taking my Stila eyeliner to wing out my eye. Going back in with the JH43 using Spooky, Cola, and Playground. And I'm basically going to layer these three colors under my waterline. And then after that, I'm taking the color Hello to put in my inner part of my waterline, or under my waterline. And then I'm taking my Tarteiste eyeliner and then line my waterline up. And then after that, taking my Clinique mascara and putting them on my bottom lashes. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys made it to the end of this video. And I also want to give a quick shout out to my new subscribers. I just gained like about 40 within these past 2 weeks. Hi guys. I know you guys followed me for a reason, so just let me know what you guys want to see. And that's for my old time subscribers too. Thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.